So one of my favorite things to do is to make my own skincare out of the simplest ingredients. Today we're going to make a toner out of 2 ingredients that are readily available. Both of these things you can get online or through your local health food store. Very easy to put together. Honestly, in under 1 minute, you've got a beautiful face toner. Now, face toners, as you know, you put on your face after you wash it. And what does it do? Well, a toner just rejuvenates your skin health and helps to hydrate. So today we're going to do a face toner and you're going to be shocked how easy it is, under 1 minute. We're going to start our day with a glass jar. Usually I like to use dark jars because if you have light and sun on these skincare, it kind of oxidates. So you don't want that, but I ran out of my dark jars. So instead of going out and running and buying something, if you don't have dark jars, don't worry about it. Just use a clear glass jar and keep it in your cabinet or under your sink or somewhere dark, and it'll be the same thing. So start with a glass jar. So this is so easy peasy. You're gonna start with 9 tablespoons of aloe vera juice. And this is just something that I got online. It's in a glass bottle. You know I like to talk about glass because I don't like plastic, because plastic absorbs into the ingredients, and then you're putting that plastic on your face and then it's absorbing into your skin. So you know I don't like plastic. So we're going to do 9 tablespoons of aloe vera juice. And just put them in there. So I'm going to finish that up. And then we're going to put 10 drops of frankincense essential oil. And believe it or not, that is it. That is your face toner. So 2 ingredients that are so good for your skin. Like I said, the aloe vera juice moisturize your skin, hydrates your skin, and then the frankincense, that promotes cell growth. It's so healthy for your skin. So if you put some frankincense essential oil, now don't overdo it with essential oils because essential oils are very, very potent. And you know, you don't want to say, oh, well, 10 drops is good, so 30 is even better. You know, I may have done that. And you just want to use what you need because it's very important. It's very potent. So all you do is after you wash your face, you take a makeup pad and wipe this on your face. It stays on for the day. Whether you put a moisturizer on top of it or you put makeup, whatever you do, your toner is first. And it stays on for the rest of the day. So you can either put it on your face with a makeup pad, or sometimes I'll just tip the jar over my sink, put a little bit in my hand and wipe it all over my face, wait for it to dry, and then I can put my moisturizer on. One of my favorite things, making skincare from almost nothing. Talk about inexpensive, because a jar like this of skincare, first of all, you're not even going to get that much if you buy it at the store, and you are going to spend a fortune usually on good skincare. There's no chemicals, no extra additives, just pure, beautiful aloe vera and frankincense on your skin. And you have a great day.